It's day 5 of my bike trip and I'm cycling back to Rome today. Hi! I'm leaving Casale Elisa. I'm here in Ladispoli. Yeah! It's 3 hours and 30 minutes to Roma. Final destination. And here is Il Circo Massimo. Ladispoli is a very popular village with 30,000 inhabitants in winter and 200,000 in summer. Because all the people in Roma, they have a second home here at the coast to escape the summer heat. Now, if they watch carefully my video, they can also learn how to go to Ladispoli by bike. And this is what the route looks like. Gravel. Like the last days, very often I cycled gravel paths. Paths are getting smaller. That's a very good sign. Meadows with big balls of hay. Pussies. Oh, it's getting really small here. Oh yeah. Oh, there's even a gate here. Wow. Just in the big meadows we cycle now. Look, the road is blocked. Ah, this is really nice. I hope it continues like this for hours. Oh, what is this? Palm trees? Oh, it's the first time I see them. That many here. What's the name of those trees? Can you tell me? I'm crossing the highway for the first time. So this is what I don't like. I'm on a big traffic road now. Shouldn't cycle here, but more cyclists do it. It's okay. It's not dangerous, but it's just not fun. I don't like it. Neither do my lungs. It's 1.7 kilometers. And then I'm gonna leave it again. This has happened quite a lot the last days. It's the first time today, but yesterday also. Dead end. It says I have to go here. But yeah, no, they lock it. I think they knew that I was coming. Okay, I have to go back to the big road now, which is a couple of minutes. And then I cycle for 5 minutes and then I take the left. Then I take the next road to the left. But this is always annoying. I'm crossing the highway for the second time. Back in the nature again. I took a small detour, but here is nice again. I can hear I'm still close to the highway because I hear the cars. But it's nice here. Look, wheat fields, butterflies, birds. And no dead ends. If there is a dead end, I'm fucked. Then I need to cycle back for a very long time. So no matter what, I need to continue. Ah, here's nice. Very dark, densely vegetated with trees and bushes. Yes, fresh air. That is what I need after this big traffic road. It's also a bit fresher here because it's quite warm already. Sun is out. It's 9:30. Bam! Dead end. No, here I should... Oh wow, yeah, it's really closed. Fuck. Okay. I thought I could just walk around it, but they really closed it. Okay, then I need to throw my bike over it. Or here under. Well, that's no big deal. That's easy. I'm crossing the highway for the third time. Mission accomplished, I thought. But then, 2 minutes later, another dead end. It's already the third one today. It starts to annoy me a little bit. And look at all the trash here. Maybe that's the reason they close it, so people can't throw their trash there. I don't know if I'm going to do this. I'm gonna have a look upstairs. If the road is good. Alright, this is it. The grass is very high. There's not really a path. I could do it, but it's not going to be much fun. It's not going to be easy. No, it doesn't have to be easy, but at least a bit enjoyable. This doesn't look enjoyable. So, and I don't know what's there after 200-300 meters. So, I'm not going to do it. So I'm gonna find another route then. Probably a bigger one. The advantage is, it's quicker. The disadvantage is, well, you know, cars. Yeah, this is the consequence of dead ends. I'm on a very big road now. It's not a highway, but cars are driving fast and it's ugly. Oh, I hope for less than 10 minutes and then I'm gonna go back to the initial route. I'm crossing the highway for the fourth time. Alright, and until now I was more or less driving along the coast. But now this turn here to the left makes me drive towards Roma, inland. So from now on, it's only straight ahead to Roma. Look at the trash. Straight on, here it's still quiet and nice. Guess what? I'm crossing the highway for the 5th time. Fuck man, there is a lot of trash here everywhere. Look. Whoa. They dump it here, I guess. Well, I don't guess, I'm sure. Mattresses, sinks, chairs, helmets, buckets, cables, tires, a toilet. Well, if you need something for your house, this is the place. It just doesn't stop. For some kilometers now, there is a lot of trash everywhere. For the first time today, proper bike lane. Great. Next to a big road. Very well done, Italy. It's not in the best state, but it's good enough. And it's safer. Easier to ride. I can watch around a bit here. Although there's not much to see. Just car companies. I'm getting closer to Rome. It's getting busier. More industry, more houses, more concrete, and more bike lanes. Hi! I'm back in Roma. And I decided to cycle to continue with a mouth mask. The air quality is so bad here that I can already feel it in my lungs. All the exhaust gases. So I hope this helps at least a little bit. When I left Rome 5 days ago, at arrival, I could feel my lungs. Like really, that I smoked. It felt like I smoked 5 packages of cigarettes. So I don't want to feel like that again. So, mouth mask. Remember kids, always do it safe. Yeah, I'm at my final destination. There is the Colosseum where I started 5 days ago. And here is Il Circo Massimo. That's my final destination. I'm happy I can get rid of my mouth mask. I'm back in a chaotic city. And that's exactly what I want now. After 5 days of nature, forest, trees, and a lot of gravel, now it's time for a good party here in Roma.